Hello, friends. I'm Lovable Lucky. Today I have a special masterpiece to show you. Ta-da! Since flowers are a few of my favorite things, I thought I'd paint a picture of some daisies. Daisies are a type of a flower, like roses and tulips and carnations. But I really like daisies, and now that I painted a picture, I can see them even when I'm inside my home. Would you like to paint this masterpiece with me? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how you can with only 3 colors. You'll need white, yellow, and blue paint. Of course, you'll need a paintbrush, a paper plate, a paper towel, a cup of water with a drop of soap, and a piece of paper. I like blue because the sky looks blue, but you can use any color paper you'd like. So pause this video, grab your supplies, and I'll see you back here in a few minutes. Welcome back, friend. Did you get all of your supplies? Well, if not, that's okay. You can always watch me first and do your painting later. So one trick to making your daisies bright is to always start with a clean paintbrush. See how mine doesn't have any paint on it? Nice and clean. And also start with your white paint. You don't have to, but I find it makes the whole painting a lot easier. So I'm going to put a little bit of white paint on my plate. Watch me. There we go. Now I'm going to put just a little dab of white paint on my paintbrush. I'll start the first daisy in the middle of the page by placing a dot, like this. Just a dot. Okay, now I'll paint the lines around that dot, kind of like a clock. Watch me. Kind of looks like a snowflake. There. Okay, now let's paint our second daisy. This is so much fun, isn't it? So let's start with our dot. Ding! That will be the middle of the daisy. And then we'll work our way around, drawing little lines right into the dot. You can actually draw the lines outwards too. I think it looks better though when I draw them in. Get some more paint. I like it. Let's get a little bit more paint. Okay. We put our dot in the page. And we make our lines. More paint. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now, let's add a little bit of yellow to the center of our daisies. Just a little bit. Oops, there's a lot. Oh, try not to get any paint on your fur. I'm just going to put little dots, basically little circles, in the center where we put our first dots. Watch me. That's a big dot. Now it's time for the stems. The stems hold the daisies up from the ground. The stems are green, so I will put a little blue in the yellow and stir it up. Watch me. Put a little blue paint in my yellow. Boop, just a little. There we go. Now watch me stir. See what happens. Have you done this before? Look at that. My yellow and blue is now green. Ta-da! Okay, let's get our stems on the page. I draw from the bottom of each daisy to the bottom of the page, but you can also draw from the bottom of the page to the bottom of the daisy. Watch me. Very easy. What am I missing? You know, I think it looks nice just like that, but there's something missing. Oh, leaves! I forgot the leaves. Let me get some more green paint. So for the leaves, I'm just going to draw kind of like rainbows with my paintbrush. Watch me. See, this is kind of like drawing a rainbow and then an upside down rainbow. Like that. And I can color it in. Let's draw one over here. I'll make a smaller one. There. And one over here. Marvelous. Oh, you know what I think would look really good? Some grass. That's real easy to do. You just put little sticks of green right on the bottom of the page. Watch me. See how I just dab the paintbrush? Just little dabs. And you can fill it in however much you like. Put a lot of grass or just a little. It's up to you. That looks good. Let me straighten this picture. You know, painting is a lot of fun. It's relaxing, and you can paint all sorts of pretty things. You can paint pictures to hang on the wall or the refrigerator so all your friends and family can see. Or you can give it to a friend. You could even make this painting into a card. I'm glad you could join me today. If you can send me a picture of your painting, I would love to see it. Take care, friend, and keep painting those daisies.